Welcome back to my channel, Ruth Getting Things Done. Before we start the video, go ahead and like this video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It's been 6 weeks since I installed my locks. This video is a brief tutorial on how I retie my hair for the first time using this makeshift tool that I've seen another YouTuber use to retie her own hair. I bought this at Walmart. I believe it's like a yarn crochet needle. Yeah, I bought it for like $1.27, and so far it's really good. I simply just burn the tip and just use my 2 fingers and just I guess you just like do it like that, and then it gets hard really quick. And this is the end result. And this is another piece, so it's like 2 pieces. Retie my hair, I only use this comb here. This comb only to make sure like the parts are neat. A spray bottle with water and oil. Hair, just any hair oil would do. And of course this makeshift retie tool. That's I'm not sure how long it took me to do that, but I just know I was in class. And I was just retying back of my hair. So now I'm going to record a tutorial on how I retie my hair, and then I can show you more how I retie my hair. Okay, now I'm in the front now. See here, see this? You see when there's extra hair like on my edges that's not even with the lock? I'm going to go ahead and do this on camera so you can see. As you can see, it's pretty wet here because I wet it with my oil and water mixture. I'm gonna wet it again because, okay. So just going to use this comb to make the line more straighter. And then I'm going to twist this extra hair here around the lock loosely, not too tight. And then I'm going to twist my hair around the tool that I created. And I'm going to do maybe a 2-point method. Stick it in. Pull it out. That's a big point. Okay, I'm going to show you again with this one, but this time with extra hair that's sticking out. I'm going to twist the hair, the loose hair around the lock. Then I'm going to pass the lock through the tool, twist the hair around the tool, and I'm going to start my first rotation down, going up, and then sideways, going to the other side, and then up, going down, and then again. That is the end of that brief tutorial, and then I will show you a 360 of my hair. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.